Hi guys, this is Malia from Mustard Tree Market. How are you today? I am just here to show you the new Dixie Belle Silk Screen Stencils. This is part of the new Bells and Whistles line that Dixie Belle is carrying. And these are not like your regular stencils, they're silk screen, so they're going to be really precise, a lot of detail, and really easy to use. So the one I'm using today is called Western Boho, and it comes with different designs. So this is one package. Each stencil is reusable 10-ish times, and they come with like multiple on one sheet. So it's a fantastic deal, and you can reuse them. Like I said, they wash off. One side has a little bit of an adhesive on it, and you can wash them with soap and water right away and lay them flat on a paper towel, sticky side up, and they will dry and be able to be reused. So I've already applied the one here, and I used the Dixie Belle's Mermaid Tail. And now I'm going to apply some of these other ones, trying to decide exactly how I want them to go. But I'm thinking like that, and then maybe one more. I think I'm gonna do that for now. I might add more. I'm probably gonna put another strip like on the top to the bottom, but you just stick them on, and it's not like a sticker, you know, they're gonna hold to your surface, you know, better than like having to use tape or whatever for your regular stencil. And then I poured my paints out onto a little tray, and these stencils come with this little tool. Each package has this little plastic tool in it to apply the paint evenly. And I'm just using the straight Dixie Belle paint. Now I did let this sit out for a little while. I wanted it to be a little bit thicker. So I've let this kind of sit out for a little bit just to give it a little bit of thickness. You don't have to do that. I just did. And I'm just gonna put, you don't need very much paint, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my tool. And this color I'm using here is Dixie Belle's Tea Rose. So I have a little bit of a bump in my piece right here on the wood, so there might be a chance of a little bit of bleed through right there, but that's not the stencil's fault. That's because there's a bump on my piece. So let's pull it back now and see. Perfect. So cool. And then I just lay this down, sticky side up on a shop towel, and then I'm going to wash it right away so it doesn't get stuck on there. But the details on this are perfect. See how it almost has, well, not almost, it has a little bit of texture. from the actual silk. Same with this one, see? And see how precise those details are? It just looks perfect. It's almost got like the look of a stamp or a transfer. So these are the new stencils by Dixie Belle, and I'm going to keep going down here and add more of this, and I think I'm going to use Terracotta next. But these were the 3 colors that I'm going to use: Terracotta and Tea Rose and Mermaid Tail. And then again, I'm using the Boho Western Boho Silk Screen Stencil from Dixie Belle. So hopefully that helped you guys out on how to use them, and definitely try them. They're super cool, and there's a bunch of different really neat designs. Thanks. Bye.